Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another quick hijab tutorial. How are you keeping? Please, my dear viewers, we need to keep safe, okay? It sounds like a broken record, but I need to advise you, my viewers who are dear to me, to please take care wherever you are in the world. We need to be vigilant about taking care of ourselves. Please, you, yourself, your family, everyone in your circle, please do your bit, inshallah. Okay, so today it's a very quick and easy, very elegant looking style. It's very easy, and I'm using a pashmina shawl today, and I've got this really nice look. It's falling nice in the back. We've got coverage in the front. You can actually bring it like that for full coverage, or you can leave it sitting in the front, your preference. It's up to you. I'll show you the different options, so stay with me as we get into this tutorial. So my dear viewers, here we are. This is my shawl. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. I'm wearing my Ninja for cover, and I put a cap on because my Ninja has a crisscross. I want to make sure that it's got a nice round look in the front. And I've got a shorter side and a longer side. And what I've done is I have folded it just a tiny bit to give it a nice, neat look. I'm going to put that there. Bring that to the bottom here. Fold it in very nicely and neatly so you get a nice, clean look. And I'm going to use a safety pin. For here, just to have a nice look up here, I'm going to give it, I'm going to use one of these headless pins. It's very tiny, so it doesn't show as much, and I'm going to pull that up a bit. And I'm just going to give it a nice little tuck there. So far, so good. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the back end of the scarf. I'm going to fold it over. See that? Really nicely. And then I'm going to just take the longer side, and I'm going to wrap it around. And I'm going to just, with the small fold, I'm just going to let it sit in the back. I just want to have it nice and flowing in the back. And I'll show you what it looks like. And I'm going to use a stick pin right here. That there. So now all we need to do, we've got the longer side, the shorter side sitting in the front. We've got this side that we folded over, and just put your pleats nicely. Really, my dear viewers, it's so quick and so easy. It's got this beautiful look. How gorgeous is that? It's absolutely beautiful. And all you do is you set your pleats nicely. Make sure that it's nice and neat. Now here, we've got an option to leave it sitting like that. See that? We can leave it like that. Or we can just bring it around like that. Okay, let's do that. And we're going to put a pin here. We're going to use one of the longer stick pins. Nicely. See, so we're getting full coverage. And here we're just going to, this is absolutely gorgeous, my dear viewers, absolutely beautiful. I'm going to put another stick pin here. Just make sure your folds are nice. And we're going to use another stick pin over there. Now I want to show you how nicely that falls. See that? See how nice that falls? And here we are. It's absolutely beautiful, 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 beautiful. And what we're going to do today is I've got this nice hijab pin. And I'm just going to dress it up a little bit. So I usually take the cap off. I don't like to use the cap on it. I just stick it in there. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to put that right here. See that? How delicate and elegant that is? Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And to dress it up even more, because I'm feeling in that mood today, I've got my really beautiful brooch. It's sterling silver. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to, for the first time I'm wearing it, I'm going to just put it here. So it kind of fancies it up a little bit. It's absolutely beautiful, my dear viewers. And that's just giving it a really nice fancy look. Now we've got that sitting there, we've got that there, and we are done. Absolutely quick and easy, beautiful, elegant. I hope you like that. What do you think, my dear viewers? Isn't that beautiful? It's absolutely beautiful. And then you've put a little hijab in there. Gives it that really nice, really delicate look, but elegant. There you go. And then I've added my brooch. I'm just fancying it up today, and it's absolutely beautiful. It was the hijab, wrapping the hijab was just so quick and so easy. So I'm hoping, my dear viewers, that you are going to try that. And please, please, if you like what you saw, please do hit the like button. Share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and tick off the all, so that you won't miss any of my uploads. My dear viewers, thank you for your love and for your support, for helping me to build this platform. Also, I've just started another channel, and I hope that you would support that as well. It's called Soothing Soulful Rhythms. You must check it out. I've just started that, and I'm hoping to build that so that we can all benefit from it. So please do check that out as well. It's called Soothing Soulful Rhythms. Until we meet again, do stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Make the best of every moment, my dear viewers. We have today. We don't know about tomorrow. So do take care. And whatever it is in your destiny. Whatever is in your page, no one can change that. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So if it's in your page and you're dealing with it, please make your du'as to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ask Him for what you want, for what you need. Whatever it is, please, only Him we should turn to and ask Him for His help. Inshallah. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept each and every one of our du'as. Ameen, ameen, summa ameen. Take care, my dear viewers. Until we meet again. Assalamu alaikum.